The ant who never gave up. In a bright green meadow near a tall mango tree lived a tiny ant named Andy. Andy was one of the smallest ants in the colony, but his heart was full of courage. Every day the ants worked together to collect food for their home, while the bigger ants could carry large crumbs easily. Andy always got the smallest tasks. Some ants whispered, "Andy is too small, he will never be useful." Andy heard those words, and they made his heart feel heavy. But he never said anything. Instead, he smiled and said to himself, "I may be small, but I will try my best." One sunny morning, the queen ant announced, "Winter is coming soon, we must store extra food." All the ants rushed out in different directions.
Winter is coming! We need to store as much food as possible!
Andy found a sweet sugar crystal laying far away near a rock. It was bigger than him, but Andy's eyes sparkled with hope. "I can do this," he said. Andy pushed the sugar crystal. It did not move. He tried again, still nothing. Andy fell down. His legs hurt and he felt tired. A butterfly flying nearby laughed gently and said, "Little ant, that is too heavy for you. Give up."
Little ant, that crystal is too heavy! Give up!
I will not give up. I can do this.
Andy looked at the sugar crystal, then stopped up and said, "No, I would not give up." He pushed again, slip, fall, try again. The sun grew hotter and Andy was covered in sweat. Still, he did not stop. He rested for a moment, took a deep breath, and tried again with all his strength. Slowly, very slowly, the sugar crystal moved. Other ants noticed Andy struggling. At first, they were surprised. Then they felt ashamed for adopting him. One by one, they came to help. Together, the ants carried the sugar crystal back to the colony. The queen ant smiled proudly. "Well done, Andy," she said. "You showed us that never giving up is more powerful than being big or strong." The ants who once laughed now said sorry. Andy smiled kindly and said, "It's okay, we all learn something new every day." When winter arrived, the colony had plenty of food. Andy sat happily with his friends, warm and safe. From that day on, Andy was no longer known as the smallest ant, but as the bravest one. Moral of the story: never give up. Hard work and patience can help you achieve anything.